How's it going, everyone? I just want to give you some insight about the alpha that I'm truly sourcing and delivering to my community, Yin Yang DAO. And it's underappreciated and underutilized. Just want to show you from last night's video when I came over to my personally owned robot that I purchased last bear market, that I purchased actually 7 additional bots for, meaning that I have these same bots to give out to my community. If you're active and participating, they're going to go to an NFT buyer. I need to update the NFT setup. There's something around the code maybe got updated and it's not showing on the page right now, but I'll investigate that and I will come back to the NFTs. I have NFTs for sale. They're 1 Ethereum, but that alone is worth the price of the bot. The bot's very valuable. And that NFT is going to be a permanent utility key in ownership, a token of ownership of the total of Ballot AI RWA. We are creating a real world asset with an AI powered technology to democratize ownership of the ballot initiative industry. And I know that in order for this mainstream concept related to elections and politics to be disrupted by blockchain, we need to also help onboard the masses to blockchain. We need to do that anyway. It goes in hand with my other project, Economic Lift. And Economic Lift is all about cryptocurrency education. So give me 1 second. I'm just going to make sure my people in my Telegram group know this is live. I let you come in here. If you're in my Telegram and you want to ask questions, you can come right in to this live stream. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. I'm not showing my screen yet. I will show my screen to show you what I'm doing. I want to show you the AI predicted that this particular token was going to blow up and it just doubled. So I'm going to go take my original investment out. Part of me wants to keep it rolling though. It's such an early token. Taking my original investment out is a safe way to play it though. Okay. So where do I find the share link? Share. Give me 1 second. It seems like it doesn't even have a share link. I'm just going to post my whole page. Okay. All right. So everyone in here can watch my live stream. I'm live from Liberty Economy on X, and I'm also live on the YouTube Liberty Economy. I'm live on crypto petitioners on Kick. All right. Ballot_AI, which is the utility token's main X account on X, and petitioner meme on X, because we have a petitioner meme coin on Pump Fund that needs to come back. The dev rug pulled. I'm getting my money together. I'm about to sue him and he's going to jail. It's not going to be good for him. He thought he could get away with it. He's not going to get away with it. I'm pretty sure I can spend $10K on my lawyers, get all my money back, because he will easily be subpoenaed. I'm also on Sifu Nicholas Guillermo on LinkedIn, because it's very professional. And my Facebook page, Nico Crypto Guillermo. Make sure you follow me out there and say hello. So, yeah, 3X accounts, YouTube, Kick, LinkedIn, and Facebook. All right. Now, if you're watching this, I don't know if same 2 viewers. I see this. I see someone's always coming back. I appreciate it. If I had no viewers, maybe I wouldn't be as motivated. Even just 1 viewer makes me feel great. But I'd love to have some commentary. I'd love to hear from you, because it's not the same unless you're active. All right. So join Yin Yang Smart Contract. Let me share the screen now just to kind of get things moving. All right. I'm going to share the entire screen. You got to join this Telegram group, Yin Yang Smart Contract, Yin Yang DAO. It looks like this. It's got this black and white yin yang. Okay. So you join that and you're inside. Now, you need a personal referral bot to take advantage of the special elite groups. You can only have access to the groups if you've joined and paid the minor referral fee. What's in these groups? Alpha is in these groups. Absolute alpha of top AI tokens. I add a few more referral codes. A lot of the referral stuff is right off the bat. I'm showing some amazing stuff for free in the group, like how to get 18% APY, 16%, 11%. This is better than any bank. It's better than a life insurance fund compounding. I'm studying life insurance right now. Crypto destroys all of that, but it's not as secure as life insurance necessarily, although the blockchain is. Still been a lot of rug pulls. We know that crypto is here to stay, though, and with this insane yield, we can do amazing things. So I want to show you, for example, the bot. This was showing yesterday when it was down here. Okay, it was right here, and it said strong buy. Look how stronger it is now. It's saying even stronger buy. I should just hold. It does not say sell, so I'm not going to sell yet. And look at this crazy yield. 2,276% now. I've earned a good amount of this river tokens from this. My stake is 100,000. I had put in close to 10K. Right now it's 2.8 because it's actually doubled. It's over doubled. It was about $1,000 the other night. Okay, so this is great. But my bot does not say to sell. So I'm going to watch this. And even if it does say sell, it's not going to come straight down. This is an AI project. 650. Look where it is on the market cap. It's already doing great. It's going to be up in the top 100. I can just ride this and make crazy profits. And this yield, this is an airdrop of a new token that hasn't even released yet. This is the kind Hey everyone, you're back. Awesome. I am too. I don't know what's going on. The internet just shut down for a second. That's why the pool wasn't loading. So if I go back to WAGME, all right, I want to teach you this. My plan is I want to teach 3 solid people how to be masters of DeFi. Okay? If I can teach 3 solid people to do that, you can teach 3 solid people, and they can also teach 3 solid people. And because of the referral program I set up, you're going to make more money from the referral program in DeFi going mainstream out to all of our friends and friends and so forth, versus these other companies who essentially are my competition, who are not as skilled as me. And I know this because I've paid my way into some of their groups of the DeFi educators with their courses. They're only doing like one chain, like BNB chain, or they're doing like a few chains, and they just show you a few yield farms without any understanding of how to prevent the impermanent loss, how to protect yourself, how to do the trades as setups. They don't talk about any of that. They don't have bots like I have to actually pick the right yield farm that's on a token that's going to do well. So I'm going to make more money instead of just doing a high ticket sell, because I could easily do that. It's going to be about being able to get a referral program going off enough that we can make more money from the referrals, and all of us can participate. You can even sell it before you're an expert just referring them to me. I'm going to let Horland in the stream. Horland's been part of the supporter of this project since the very beginning. Hopefully you're in it. I tried to let you in, bro. I don't know what happened. You saw me click it. Did you see me click it? I clicked it on the screen. It's not letting you in. You cannot do this and come to the live stream unless you have good audio, you're in a quiet place, you can sit down in front of your computer and you can do the tasks. Then we can set up a meeting and actually accomplish something. This isn't just to be a thing where you watch me and your face is there live. There's no point to that. You can watch me fine here without coming into the stream. You can come into the stream to ask questions, but you have to have good audio. Arland, I tried to get you in there. Something happened. Sorry about that. But focusing on the content of this media, all right. This is one of the top dexes. I've had this in here for, I don't know, maybe about a week, and I got about $19 in profits off of this. And that's just a testament that it's working. But if you see my master account, which is all public, by the way, it's all I can show you because it's not like it's going to hide. It's linked to my token I launched. And it's an asset that all of my yield farming is, once we start hitting like that bear market time. Yeah, something's going on with the internet when it says it doesn't exist now. That's just an internet thing. Once we go to the bear market time, these assets that I'm making profit off of, this is going to fund the increase of value of these tokens. In fact, one of the thoughts that crossed my mind is maybe every single day I should just take a portion of the yield and buy some more tokens every single day and front run all my competition of people that just want to short the project, buy a big amount and then sell it on people. I can buy the tokens early, which is a good advantage. It's going to raise the market cap. And I can set up campaigns like airdrops where I have to give some out for free, but I'll give out a small amount. Hopefully people won't dump if they see the value. Airdrop campaigns do help the token ratings. Other than that, I can do tokens set aside for staking. I can also lock them up like I did with Economic Lift. I locked up 33% on a very public third-party staking platform. And it's all on the website. So 33% of the tokens are locked for like 6 years. There's going to be a distribution every year on July 4th. But when that comes, we're going to use this for yield rewards, yield farming, airdrops, staking rewards, things like this. We may liquidate some and burn some tokens out of circulation, and that will make things move forward. So granted, I don't have the best signal right here. I just want to show you. I was calling this token tagger the other day. It was about here. I think maybe it was, where was it? Where's the timeline? June 25th. Oh, yeah. So it was only like a day ago. Look at that pump. Today's the what is it? July 11th. Oh, okay. What is this? Why does it say July 25th over here? The timeline is all messed up. But July, let's see, July. For some reason, this price chart is funny because it shows July 7th, but we went up a lot. This is a little late. Oh, do I need to zoom out? No. July, it says July 7th. Yeah. Something's funny because this is July 25th. But regardless, look at this. Look at that pump. That went up. Very nice. I think I was about here. No, July 2nd, July 1st. Yeah, I was over just the other day. And it's pumping because this was only $1,000. Now look at it. 2,854. 2,276% validity. Do you need to know how to get that? Do you need to know how to navigate in here? You can go claim that right now. This is free alpha. If you like this, please go to my YouTube, subscribe, and leave comments and like it. I need to get the YouTube number. I'm doing a lot of automation on the YouTube, but I'm not getting the viewership. I'm not getting the community behind it that I need. So please come out to the YouTube, say, Nico, that was a valuable token you listed. Thank you. Because this tag, AI project, is going to keep skyrocketing. We know it. I checked out the stats on these other projects in here. They're okay. But the grade wasn't really good when I checked any of these tokens over here in this researcher. It wasn't really showing it's ready to it's time to buy yet. So I'm only buying and selling based on this AI. It's that good. And I'll use my intuition too, but I want to do Zeta. Zeta is a cool privacy coin I was looking into, a long time ago. And they are building smart contracts and things like this. So let's go check this out. Zeta Chain says buy. Now it says buy. Oh, look at that. Green. I should buy it right here at the bottom. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy Zeta. But see, it could just be one of these little things where it just goes up a little bit and then down. But we are so low. And look at this yield over here. It's crazy. Right over here. 740. That's still very good. There's only 10,000 in the pool. These small pools are what are going to make you the most money. They're going to have the highest yield. Yes, they have low liquidity. You're not moving a ton of money in there. Just move a little bit. Just make some of these profits. All right. Get in and get out. I should get some Zeta. That's going to require me to transfer money over to the BNB chain. And, I can get these airdrops and buy a token that looks like it's going to go way up in value. But part of the problem is also when I'm live streaming, these dApps work less. I think it's taking the signal. And I don't know why. I have great signal here. I have it tethered right in. My internet should be great. But I've noticed that when I'm not plugged into when I'm not doing a live stream, everything's working all of a sudden. Okay. I'm making like 100 a day from my other main account on SwapX. Okay. I have a lot of secret stuff I want to show you. This is a cool bridge. I got into this early when they were just doing stablecoin yield, but this is some of the free stuff I teach people. You can get great yield over here, and this is like the best DEX there is, hands down. Because you can swap between coins, almost any coin on any chain. It's not like you have to switch to one coin to then move it to the other chain. This manages it for you. Brilliant design. And look, they have great APY on USDC, single-sided staking, 10% right there on BNB. Some of the best, 15% on ZK Sync. Okay, that's free alpha. When the bear market comes, you're going to wish that you were a member of this. You're not going to get all this free alpha during the bear market. This is temporary. This is temporary, okay? These yields will go down by then. We're going to find other farms by then. 11% on Polygon, very good. The only way you get this good alpha is when you're a member of the group and you actually grow the community, okay? This is alpha, free alpha. Hey, Anon, a AI project DeFi. You get to ask questions. You get to have this trade for you by word commands. That is really cool. Okay, let's collect these fees real quick. Part of me wants to pull the liquidity out, but this is still such an important position, only because it's stablecoins and we are getting super bullish right now. So part of me does say to remove all this liquidity. So why not? Why don't we just do that? And I could add some more stack to my Ethereum stack or my... Let's see. 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 or my Bitcoin stack, or some of these altcoins. I could buy Zeta with it. You know, I'd love to hear from you. What would you do? Everything's doing well. Everything's doing well. Part of me wants to remove this because the stable coins are not going to go crazy here. And part of me wants to go and grab the Sonic over here. The Sonic and X, because SwapX, let's check what the rating on SwapX is right now. I want this token to start pumping because that's my other token I'm relying on. If it's dying, my whole yield is going to die because of what's called impermanent loss. When one of the tokens starts to crash, it's not really good. You see, it does say strong sell, but I'm making so much money and it's hitting the bottom. It's got to be. This is the max it's ever been. This is the lowest it's ever been. This project is undervalued. I don't see it sticking around here at the bottom for long. It's got low volume. See, it's got a spike of sales right there. That's why it looks so bearish. But it's going to have a spike of buys before you know it. Look, it's moving up a little bit. Okay. I want to be able to capitalize on what they have to offer with the highest yield right now. This is true alpha. All right. Look at this yield, 172.78 on dollars in X. That's good. On Ethereum in X, this is where most of my bag is, 167. I'm making about $100 a day off of this, and I'm just going to use this to leverage and grow my position. I want you to also be in that position. That's the beauty of yield farming. And yes, there's risks. However, the reward you can get when you time it right can be outstanding. Okay? If I show you my positions, I just made $7 since this afternoon on SwapX fees. Another $55 right here since this afternoon. Okay. It's going to be, I'm probably averaging about 100 plus a day. 111, I think is what it is last time I checked. Part of me wants to put, I'm at 27K just in this pool. Okay. These ones are just minor pools. I just kind of have these for extra. I don't need them. I could probably just put everything in F. I think I'm a lot more bullish on Ethereum. But that Bitcoin pool, that's going to be good too. I could pop this up past 1,000 and feel happy with 110%. So this one is a good one. I think SwapX Sonic. Let's see what the token grade is on Sonic though. Okay. I don't like this bearish signal. We need to fix that. We need to fix that SwapX, people. I need to pump SwapX and get some buyers. There's no reason. People are selling the yield. That's why. I get it. That's okay. Let's go Sonic. Let's check out what the Sonic blockchain rating is. Okay. Buy signal. That is a strong buy signal. It is at the bearish, most bottomest it's ever been. Maybe that's the bottom it will ever be. Okay. That is a buy signal. So part of me says, yeah, I should probably just do that. And I could keep all my assets in one spot. But when I go to the Sonic chain, like I'm confident in Sonic chain. They recommend WAGMI more. They don't even really recommend X, except it's right here. They have the logo there. But they're recommending WAGMI when I go to their top 5 protocols. See, top 5, DEFI, Aave, Amped Finance. I'm starting to do some stuff on Amped, but their referral program was working. I think it was because the signal again. Let me try that again. Amped Finance. This is where I'm going to start trading perpetuals with my community, and I have a great free trading course that's 100% free. Trading with demo trades. How you say, test trades. Like it's all just a demo. So I have my account. Referral code should be Crypto Petitioner. Referral code does not exist. I paid for that. Hold on, it's not spelled right. TI. I did pay for it, and then I came back. That's sad. And then I tried it again, and it didn't work. Let's try it one more time. I think it was the signal was breaking, something like that. Code already taken. So I do have a code. So how do they tell me it's already taken? But then, please don't forget to benefit. Let's try this. Submit. Oh, can I refer myself? No, it's not going to let me do that. But that's my referral code, Crypto Petitioner. And what happens if I say submit? No, it's not going to let me refer myself. I'm not even going to play around. All right. But we can. This is great. I could go check this and even use my bot for. And I have another trade signal bot, actually another trade signal chart on TradingView that I can use for really planning these trades right. Okay, I want to do long on Sonic because it's green right now, right? This is just from today. Just boom, 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 boom. Sonic. It says by I can do a very small amount. That's why this is so valuable. Minimum order 10 USD. Okay, not that low. What do I have? I could do Hey Anon. Can I trade with that? Oh. Let me see what the trading chart is on Hey Anon right now. All right. Please tell me you're bullish again. No. Nope, not bullish enough yet. But this is one I'm going to load heavy into once it's bullish again. And you want to be in my community to get these kind of calls, okay? All right. So I can collect these fees. That's how I can get my $10 to do a leverage trade. Let's do it. Collect. Now I need to just put my code in there one more time. You need a Ledger wallet. Use my referral link. It's in the Yin Yang DAO bot. All the referral links are in the bot on purpose to make this an asset for everyone who joins, so you can enter your own referral links, and when you send it to someone else, you can get paid from all of those third-party services that I find referral links for that are legitimate DeFi services. Okay? So this isn't like any other program that you've ever seen before. It's not. And I'm talking with my dev about building a desktop version next. We have everything set up for the Telegram. We will be looking to get a desktop version. Oh, you know why it's doing that? Because it's still set to Solana. The funny thing about it, it automatically defaults to Solana. Let's try it now. There we go. Sending signing request. Imagine my 40K from these accounts, and I have more crypto than that, but imagine all that going into the two projects I have at the end of this bear market. That would be a good thing. APR is 215. This is actually some of the higher APR. So I'll stay here for a little bit, actually. This has got Sonic and dollars. It's all good. It's going to be very stable. The one thing about this is it does have a liquidity margin, and it shows you if you go outside that, it's not good. But I can just monitor this every day. It's just Sonic can't drop too much, and I should be fine. Okay. So if I go back to where I want to go, AMP does not do regular trades. It does do regular trades. Okay, great. Okay, so we have USDC swap for Sonic. We go USDC. Why does it say insufficient? Okay, insufficient liquidity. That's just a small trade of Sonic. Maybe why is that being an issue for them? That doesn't even make sense. Let's just go right over in here. We know there's liquidity in WAGMI. Trade, swap. I go right here. Go to US Bridge dollars. Go to Sonic. We go 10. Sell it all. Sell all that fiat. But there is a time when fiat's going to be so valuable to you when the bear market comes. And the other important thing is to realize you're not going to time the top perfect. Even with all these trade signal things, it's very difficult to get the top perfect, and it comes quick, and then the drop comes quickly too. So the best strategy is to periodically stack stable coins on the way up, not stable coins in liquidity pools like this with Sonic, because Sonic drops, you hit a permanent loss, and your stable coins are going to disappear too. So what you need is dual stablecoin pools, and that's what we focus on in the Yin Yang DAO. Dual stablecoin pools. Okay. So we're going to go ahead. Now we're going to do $10 in Sonic. I think it's about 30 Sonic. What does that say? USD. Oh, no. Sonic 30. Oh, wow. Sonic's going up in price. Ah, really? Sonic is doing well right now. How is Sonic? 10 Sonic is 6. Oh, yeah. So Sonic's. Okay, so we're going to do $10 trade, minimum order, and we're going to do leverage slider. I'm going to do 11x. I want the maximum, because if I lose all $10, who cares? Trade signals. Why does it not letting me do this? What's going on? It won't let me do my minimum order 10. It says, oh, wait a second. So I need more. I thought something was off. Okay, we're going to do 35. Okay, we're going to do 11x leverage. Enabling leverage. I can see that green tick starting to go up. I think it's going to spike. Okay, for my intuition and the help of the trade signals that you want. Okay. Risk. Accepted. Enabled leverage. View status. Let's view the status. Leverage enabled. I got to open positions. Should be long S. Let's go. Long. Spread. Entry price, borrow fee, execution fee, allow slippage up to 11%. Let's go. That's how you can make some quick money longing and shorting the market. And I want to help you all master this, as I'm also on the path of learning. I'm not an absolute expert of everything. There's people that are beyond me, but I have my own intelligence. I don't just listen to other people. I'm in a position where I actually learn how to educate myself about the space, and I do things myself. I do better when I listen to myself than when I listen on other people. It's true. Increase South Long, 130 plus USD. Increase Sonic Long. Success. All right. So that trade has been made, and we will see if we can execute that. It's $132, and it's kind of fun to watch the chart up close, isn't it? Maybe it's just going to crank. Got to learn about these signals too, these dojis, these candles, they call them. They have all kinds of different waves. So this is a type of candle with a bottom wick, and with the candle before that, with a slight upper wick and then a slight bottom wick, very bullish. What do we call this? Is a word for this? Let's look at it. They have 2 candles bodies and 3 candle bodies. And okay, then there's a little red body. I'm curious what these things mean, because I'm looking at my candles as I trade like this, and I'm going to learn this. Okay, I got some charts in front of me. If you're able to see the video, just little stuff like this. I have some books on it too. So I'm learning. You can start learning. Like I said, I have a free course. I have the link inside the group once you join level 1. It's 100% free. You can practice these kinds of longs and shorts in trading with a demo account, and you earn crypto when you win. How cool is that? You earn a real crypto, even though it's a demo account. So you get to test yourself, test your skill development. Okay. I think that's tremendous. And what do these indicators do? What's this? Oh, they have all kinds of indicators. Cool. Let's see what the Bollinger Bands show us. Ooh, look at that. Fancy. It's pretty cool. That's a good one. We need that. We want this volume. The volume's kind of down right now. It's got to go above this red line to really pump. I know those are signals. Isn't that right? Green, pump. Once it goes up here, green, pump. Once it goes above the line, pump. Goes above the line, pump. So if I was looking at this, I could have made a more educated bet, realizing that it's not quite, it's heading up. It's going down and it's heading up, but it could just do one of these too, right? So we will see. And this is a great platform. They have Monad, Superseed, Base, Barachain. I was participating in that airdrop a little bit. Lightlink, which I am actually not even familiar with, but I'm going to have to figure that out. Looks good. And, part of my research process is I find a project like this, I'll see the chains that are in there, and then I'll go just do some research. What's Lightlink? Let's go check this out. What is that? Lightlink. Let's go see. Is this a strong buy? It's neutral. Okay, it had a pump way back in the day, and then just a bunch of sellers. Not very cool for whoever pumped that. They're probably pissed. All these people were buying to sell on this person or people. But that looks like that's probably one major buy. What's the market cap in this? Top 10 have 96%. That's not good. That is not good. Top 10 have 1 billion of supply. Others, owner has 0. Creator has 0. How is that even possible? Owners holdings, creators holders. That makes no sense. What is the top 10? Maybe this is not accurate, because this could be, if you look into it, you might find that is held for some other purpose. Ethereum layer 2. Okay, great. Gasless transactions. I like that. Instant gasless. Elo token is key to Lightworks growth, serving both as a medium exchange and governance tool. Very cool. 118 followers on Twitter. Telegram is 20K. It's good. Raised 6 million. Number of rounds 2. Very good. There are a few centralized exchanges. It does say investor grade is buy. And the neutrals here, this one still could be a good chain to start playing around with when it's low like this. It's the time when you buy in. So I like layer 2s a lot. But let's see. I'm not swapping Ethereum for that today right now. I just did this leverage trade. That's all I care to do tonight. And share position. I'm going to go ahead and share this. Generating shareable image. Let's see. Share. Why is this taking long? Anybody in the group saying hi? Nope. Not yet. Strong. Longing amped finance Sonic on strong buy signal. Ref code crypto petitioner. I should just be able to grab this image. It doesn't need to generate a shareable image. Something's going on here. It's all good. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that though. Share position. I just want to clip that and show my people. Go ahead and clip this. And, oh, that's not what I wanted. I wanted clip. Where's the clip? Camera. Oh, get that out. Let's do save. Long Sonic. Okay, actually I just saved it, so now I should be able to just attach it right here. Leverage trading on Sonic for airdrops. This is one of the top recommended ways to get airdrops on Sonic is playing with the leverage trading. Okay. So you know what to do. And it's just 11x. That's great. And we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. It's dropping kind of low. Haven't lost my position yet. Just holding tight. Holding tight. It's a strong, long buy signal. So we should be good. Let's do 1 minute chain. Either way, this is a pretty cool platform. And you can get some amazing APY over here. You want to see how high this is? I'm going in. I need to dump some more into that, in fact. So let me go ahead and go to the exchange. Shadow. This is such a cool exchange. I love how it looks. It just looks beautiful. It's so smooth. Everything here works great. It's called APL. Wait, yeah. What's it called? Hold on. Let's come back here. Let's find what this token's called. This is, you go to the earn. I'm doing this one right here. YALP. YALP. 315% APY. I'm just doing 60 in there right now. Out of a $10,000 total deposit. This is so new. This is so new. ALP on Sonic has 306. And I need to learn the difference between these. I just took that auto compounding one. Then I don't have to touch it. It's just going to compound. And I like that. YALP. Where is YALP? I know I had it. I know I just bought it the other day. Weird. Where is it? Buy it with Sonic. Okay, I can buy it right from them. I might trade some other tokens to Sonic just to get some more YALP. Definitely excited about that. Like I said, I was looking at the bullish signal over here for Zeta again, and that looks cool. That's 740 APR. But that's Binance Chain. This is not giving me airdrops on Sonic. It's giving me their own River airdrops, although I am absolutely bullish on this one, and part of me wants to jump in and grab some Zeta right now too. That is a good privacy coin. Let's go see how B2 is doing. That's another one I want to see. This one I'm long term. I think this is going to be a great one. Right now it doesn't look so bullish, but let's check if it's changing at all. Neutral. Okay, neutral buy. I think that it's going to be a good one because it's a Bitcoin layer 2, and we need more of that. So let's see what we have over here. Do I really have 148 X33? What am I doing with that? That needs to be staked. X33 balance. Why can't I stake that? Stat balance. Oh, 5.32. Your holdings. Earn. Should be able to just stake more. Definitely want to get some more. This project is going to do great. And there's no impermanent loss between this and the shadow token, the way they have it set up. Redeem 38. Oh, redeem shadow. No, I don't want to do that. I want to. That's all I have. Oh, okay. I thought I had more in the wallet just here. Did you see that? It was in my wallet. Huh. Yeah, that's funny. That's not even locked in. I'm doing something wrong here. So if I have this here, shadow liquid staking token, underlying tokens, 10.6. Oh, maybe that's because I have 5 and then now I have 5 more. So how do I mint it? Why is this so difficult to figure out? Mint 5. Okay, here we go. Mint. Oh, this is where you. Oh, it says balance 0. Redeem. Yeah, this is 5.81. That's funny. Redeem shadow. Is there any penalty for this? I don't think so. Shadow liquid staking token. Let me just pull this out and see what happens. You know what? I really had other stuff to do. I'm not even tired. I need to finish my insurance exams. I'm doing really well. I'm over halfway through it. I think before my birthday on the 22nd, I will be finished all of my testing, even way before that. It will be great. Okay, just putting in my code again. Let's see if that works. Signing request. Go ahead and confirm now. It says accept risk and send. Okay, great. So what happened? Now I can mint 5.81. Okay. Maybe that's all I need to do right now. And I just need to, I want to keep, because this is the X Shadow token. I'm not 100%. Oh, it's the liquid staking token. Yeah. Now I have 10 of them.